friends, welcome back to Scratch Coding. Today we are going to create clone of our sprite. Let's see the game. Here I have uploaded one backdrop. Now I want to add here two sprites. So I will add here one sprite. One is a strawberry and second one sprite again I want. Okay, so I will select this second sprite. So like this way I have selected two different types of sprites. I want to change the size of this strawberry. I will make it 80. Okay, this is good. Now I want to change the color of this second sprite. So if you want to change the color, so go to the paint and here we are going to change the color of our sprite. So you can apply color here, you can change the color and whatever color you want, so you can apply the color. So like this way we can change the color of our sprite. So here I have changed the color of our sprite. Now let's do the coding for second sprite. So for this purpose I have added here one sprite. I want to add here one condition. So I will add here one condition, that is when right arrow key pressed, and afterward we have to change the x position. So I will add here x position 20. Now I will duplicate the same block here and instead of right arrow I want left arrow. I will change this minus 20. Now let's do the code for strawberry. Go to the strawberry and here we are going to add the code. So first of all, so go to the event tab and here we are going to add green flag clicked event. I want to create the variable, so I will create one variable. The variable name is score. I have created one variable score and here we have to add one block, that is height block, and go to the variable. Here we are going to add one block, that is set score variable to 0 first. Go to the control command and here we are going to add the repeat command. Instead of 10 I want 20, so I will add here 20. I want to change this time, that is wait. I want to select random time, so go to the operator and here we are going to add the random time, that is pick random condition 1 to 1.5. So like this way I have changed the time here, and afterward we have to create our clone, right? So go to the control and here three different types of blocks are given. So all these three different types of blocks we are using for clone. So I want to create a clone, so you can add here one block, that is create clone of myself. Okay, now this is a code. Now again we have to do the code here. Now you can add here one block, that is when I start as a clone. Now what to do after creating clone? We have to select one block, that is when I start as a clone, and here also we are going to use, that is hide block. Okay, go to the motion and here we are going to add x and y position, but this x position I want to change randomly. So go to the operator and here we are going to add random position of x, that is I want to change here -2 to 0 to +2 to 0. Okay, and y position I will change little 190. Okay, afterward go to the loops and here we are going to show this sprite. Okay, show. Now go to the control command and here we are going to add the repeat until command. So here in the control command we can select this repeat until command, and in the repeat until command we have to change the y position. So go to the operator and here we are using this less than operator, repeat until, and here I want y position. So go to the motion, here we are going to add the y position. If y position is less than 190 minus 190, here we have added y position 190, so here we are going to change, that is minus 190. Okay, now go to the motion and here we are going to add change y. So change y by -5. Now I want, okay, little I will reduce the size of it so you can see it properly. Now here go to the control command and we are going to add one if condition here. And in this if block, we have to add one block, that is if touching to our second sprite. The name of second sprite, that is take out. So we have to change the score. So we can add here change score variable by 1. Change score by 1. Afterward, after increasing the score, we have to hide our sprite. So I will add here hide, and afterward we have to delete the clone. So go to the control and we have to add here one block, that is delete this clone. Okay. Now again we have to add here one if condition. Okay. Because here we are adding one condition. Whenever our score will be 10, we have to finish our game, right? So go to the variable and we are going to add one our score variable we want. Go to the operator and here we are adding, that is if score is equal to 10. Okay, if score is equal to 10, that whole block I want here. So I will add here if score is equal to 10. Then we have to stop all. So go to the control command. Here we are going to add one stop all. Okay. Now here we have to create one more backdrop. So go to the backdrop and here we are going to create one backdrop. So I will make here one backdrop. So whatever backdrop you want, you can draw here. You can change the color and everything. So like this way you can apply the color also. Okay, and here we have to type UV. Like this way we have to finish our game. Little I will change the color, that is UV. Okay, so like this way I have created the second backdrop. Whenever our score is equal to 10, we have to change our backdrop. So go to the looks and here we are going to add the switch backdrop. Okay, so here I will add, that is switch backdrop 2. That is our backdrop name is backdrop 1 and previous backdrop, that is desk. Afterwards we are going to play here one sound. So I will play here one sound. Okay, I will add here one sound, clapping sound. Whenever our score is equal to 10, we have to play this sound. So I will change this sound, that is clapping, and afterwards stop all. Okay, here also we have added our code. Now the next event I want to add, that is when green flag clicked, and here we have to switch our backdrop 1. When we are going to click on the green flag, we have to switch our backdrop. So I will add here switch backdrop to desk. Our previous backdrop name is desk. Afterwards go to the control tab and we are going to add here one forever block, and here we are going to add one play sound. Just to make our program very interesting, we have to add here one sound. So go to the sound option and here we are going to choose any sound. So I will select here one sound. Okay, I will select this sound here. Okay, now our code is ready. We will check our code is working properly or not. Now we will play the game. So like this way we have to press right arrow key and left arrow key. Yes, score is also increasing when the strawberry is touching to this bar. So our score has increased. Score is equal to 10, and after score is equal to 10, like this backdrop will come, that is you win, right? So like this way we can create clones of our sprite. I hope you may have understood this game. You may have liked this game. Thank you.